I don't know what happened with the sound, but I've had to re-upload it, hopefully this time with sound, and here I am again. My parents go on holiday and lot. My mum likes to play on the arcade machines and give me her winnings. I think she more likes to play them than actually have the prizes. So it's all good for me because I collect the key rings and little bits and pieces. And this is what I got. Nice bag of stuff. Let's go through it together. One day I have to do a whole like keyring collection, show them all off. Got a nice surfboard. She goes on the coin pushers and stuff, so she wins all the like prizes that they put on top of the money. Little whistle, it doesn't work. Next we got a lolly. I think that one's strawberry. Next we got this weird faced chocolate monkey thing. Next we got this glow in the dark eyeball. It's like rubbery. Quite a fun little novelty thing to have. I can see you with my eye. Next we got this burger keyring. I think it's like a cheeseburger. Not really sure. We've got these fizzers. They're a bit like, if you're overseas, a bit like sweet tarts. They're the equivalent, I can't say that word, to them. Fizzers. Next we got another burger. I like the little foodie type key rings, different. We've got this like bull. The horns. Next we got me chatting. Got one of these little zombies. I'm coming to get you. Brains. I'm even laughing there. Little truck, reminds me of a truck off Bob the Builder. Sort of a cement mixer. This little thing. I've got these Maui blocks, strawberry flavoured, sometime with candy. Says them. Next we got dinosaur. There he is. Dinosaur keyring there. Come from Jurassic Park. I think that flavour's orange. Weird sort of smiley face design on the wrapper. Next we got Parma violets. I don't really like them. They sort of, to me, they taste like old women's perfume. That's just my opinion. We've got another one. I think that's strawberry or sour cherry. Next up we got a green ass apple. Next we got this big old strawberry swirl lolly. Trouble with them sort of thing, you eat a little bit and then you don't really want them anymore, and then you sort of put it in the fridge and it just gets all sticky and yucky. And then we got a smaller lolly. We've got these surfboards. Surfboard, one of my favourite things there. We've got a shark. Dunna, 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 Jaws. Get out of the water, everyone. Then we got Minion. Don't know the names, but there's a little Minion. Then we got a little tiger. Can't really see the features that good. Then there's just the empty wrapper. Now I'll show you my favourites. I like the surfboards just because they're different, fun little things. There's the other one. And go surfing. The Minion. First sort of minion keyring, I think. Then next up we got the shark, just because it's fun. Put the shark on the surfboard. Here's Jules. Excuse me. Next up we got, oh yeah, the zombie little person. I got some of them a few years ago that she gave me as well. Little zombies. And this quite different little glow in the dark thing. It's just me fumbling for the light. There you go. Glows in the dark there. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, thank you for watching.